Now that you are here, let me give you a quick tour of what this course looks like and how you can get the most out of it. So this is the beginner-friendly step-by-step course that will help you understand how artificial intelligence is being used to improve farming. The course is divided into 5 sections. Firstly, we will have an introduction to AI and smart farming. We will start with the basics. What is AI? Is it the same as smart farming? What is the difference between smart farming and traditional farming? And why is smart farming different from conventional farming? Also, we will check on real examples why using artificial intelligence is helpful in agriculture. Then, we will learn about main AI technologies, and you have probably already heard about them. We will speak about drones, about sensors, AI models, and when do you need to use them, and why might they not be the best choice. But even if you have never heard about these technologies before, this is the time when we will learn the basics. We will introduce them to you. Then we will focus on the real applications. We will look at how AI is helping with crop health, irrigation, pest control, disease control, and more. A separate part is livestock and farm management. You will discover how AI helps monitor animal health on the farm and in managing the entire farm more effectively. Finally, we cannot avoid the topic of challenges, ethics, and the future of AI in agriculture. We will finish with the honest look at the pros and cons of AI in agriculture and how you can continue your learning. Additionally, it's critically important for you to know the main vocabulary. You will find key definitions in relevant lectures, and simple activities along the way, as well as workbook, will help you. They aim to help you apply